Hi, I'm Jane Dearwester with McIntyre Elder Law, and I'm going to talk about today how estate planning can help preserve and protect your holiday traditions. A lot of us have things we do around the holidays every year. We get very nostalgic. This is often a time that we gather with our extended family that we may not see. Maybe the holidays are the only time in the year that we really gather with our extended family and get to see each other and spend time together. So there is an element of preserving that family harmony and family traditions within estate planning. For example, if grandma and grandpa have a mountain house or a beach house or a lake house, and their intention is they want that to be the center of the family even beyond their time with us, there are ways to preserve that. We can put that lake house or beach house in a trust. We could name it in an LLC. There are a variety of ways through estate planning, depending on everyone's goals and inclinations of how they want to treat that family compound and protect it for generations to come. Another thing that comes up in estate planning with regard to holiday traditions are family heirlooms. These are things that are truly priceless. These are things like grandma's wedding china, your mom and dad's wedding rings, things that absolutely have tangible value, but within the family, they are truly priceless. And they're heirlooms, they're pieces of furniture that have been passed down for generations. I've worked with clients who their grandfather, great-grandfather was a carpenter and made the dining room table or crafted the staircase in the house. And so these things can be protected through proper and attentive estate planning. When we put together a will, we offer our clients a separate document called the Memorandum of Personal Property, and we encourage them to list these items. Say, oh, grandma's wedding china, that's going to go to Billy, and mom and dad's wedding ring, that's going to go to Sally. And so you make it very, very clear of all of these items, who is going to inherit those items. And having a very clear, direct estate plan alleviates any ambiguity and therefore hopefully will avoid litigation over those items, because people will really fight for those things that are truly priceless within the family. And we want to avoid that, right? We don't want family going to court against each other. We want to try to promote family harmony. And with that in mind, another thing we recommend is to have these conversations with your family, whether it's at the family gathering or elsewhere. You need to start having these conversations within your family of, hey, do you have your estate planning done? Do you have an agent under your power of attorney? Mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, do you have a will in place? Let's start having these conversations and kind of normalize having these conversations. They're very easy to avoid, but I'm here to tell you as one of our litigation attorneys that having those kind of tough, uncomfortable conversations now is so much better than being in the dark, being uninformed, being completely out of the loop in what your loved ones want and how they want their final wishes to be carried out. So I really encourage you, for the sake of family harmony, to have those conversations early and often. Just know that things change over time quite often, and we're happy to discuss these and all your other estate planning issues. Please come in for a free consultation. We're here to help in Charlotte, Shelby, and Hendersonville.